I'm going to teach you the new best method to find $1 million winning products for free. Let's go. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ricky Hayes here. Without further ado, let's jump straight into today's video. So the tool is Etsy. We all know of Etsy, but the reality is not many of us using it. But the cool thing with Etsy is that you can use it for product research. You can also use it to find suppliers really easy in the United States. Okay. You can see here I've just done some research. I've got, I'm not logged into my account right now, but let me show you what I mean. So we can see here it comes up with a number of suggestions. Those are popular right now. So these autocomplete, like, you know, you can find great ideas for different seasons throughout the year. The best thing that I always do when it comes to Etsy that's new is you can do top customer reviews. You never used to be able to do this. Now you can. So if we have a look here, we can see that this is a dinosaur family Christmas pajama set, which is absolutely gorgeous. You know, you can see here we've got 15,000 reviews. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is that a lot of these winning products are custom made or print on demand. Okay, so a lot of these are print on demand. Print on demand is just another form of drop shipping, and you can find actually a lot of drop shippers using Etsy like they would Amazon and eBay and Wish and all of that to drop ship items. So if we put in an example being 100 Love necklace, we've all sort of heard this one. I've drop shipped this item myself. We can see that we've got it here, and we can see that we can go top ones. We can see they're selling it for 23 bucks Australian, which I think is like $18 American or something like that. And you can see that it's got 92 reviews, and we can see that it's definitely a winning item. That's just an example. So if we put here love jewelry, always start with something broad, and it's going to give you, I think, sorry, I typed that in wrong. If we then start with something broad, because I've found a number of winning products that have been from Etsy, and then you market them on Facebook. Okay, so what we can see here is this type of item is clearly trending. Or is it from the same people? Yeah, it is from the same people. But you can see that like this, they're ranking quite high, and this looks to be an item that people are interested in. Before I validate that though, I like to have a closer look. So you can see it's a lovely item, 2 birds and that. And most of the time you can either contact these suppliers on Etsy if you can't find them on AliExpress and actually drop ship through them, because they're just making money for doing nothing. And trust me, like, that works. I know a number of people that do that. Or you can try and find them on AliExpress yourself, or get a private supplier. If you're after my private supplier, just ask there. That's sourcing them is not a problem. So what I generally do is, we can see that this is what it is, but we want to actually check the reviews. Okay, now the problem is the reviews, it doesn't show the reviews for the product, it shows the reviews for the entire store. Okay, so what we do know at this point is this store has 530 reviews. But what we don't know is if a lot of these reviews are for that product. We see one here. We're only seeing one. Now you can see, you can look at them all. What we're generally looking for when you're looking on here is these are all pretty much American customers. So if we can find a product that has a lot of reviews and and we know it's in American customers, it's highly likely that we can translate that to Facebook and it can do very well. So we're seeing a correlation of a number of these coming up every now and again, which is great. So it means that they're definitely selling, not hugely, but you might also see other items. So if we have a look here, okay, so we're seeing some more. We're seeing more and more. Yeah, okay, so it's definitely an item that is great. This type of bird-related item is absolutely fantastic. Clearly, it looks to be women as well, so it helps with that type of research. This type of bird design seems to be doing very well. On top of this, what I recommend to also help determine a winning product is go to their actual storefront, because you can make your own storefront in Etsy. If you want to know more about that, just ask. I'm open to making a video about that, because I've sold a number of items through Etsy myself. It's been really good. So what I do is I go to their store. You can actually see they're from Brisbane, okay, funnily enough. Maybe I didn't change the location. But if we have a closer look here, we got the golden brass. Now that's a pretty unique one. That would be hard to find unless you contact them. But you can see that it's probably got a really good margin. And all these featured items, okay, featured items are generally their best selling items. Okay, so make sure that have a look at their store and you can see their best selling items. Really, really handy way of doing it. If we go and we put in like one of the things that best mum shirt, okay, we can see here as well that we've got plenty of ideas, and again we use the exact same process. Top customer reviews. Now let's make sure that I don't have it set to Australia, which I don't. Okay, and we can see here that like this store has an insane amount of reviews, and you can see that they're just using a stock image. If you're not sure how to do graphic design, I have a graphic designer in the description down below. You can contact him, and he can help with this replication. And the best thing is you can see a lot of these images are these sort of lifestyle types of images. A lot of those are just stock standard images that you can just download. Might cost you like 20 bucks and then you have it forever. And it's just the background and stuff like that. That's all you need. You can see like best mum ever. That's it. Right? And you don't even need an editor to really do that. You can do that nearly yourself. Okay, so I'm going to show you some tools on how you can find how to do this as well, because print on demand is a very, very good way of building a brand as well as getting really good margins. So let me join to a website called Placeit, and basically, you know, make a t-shirt mock-up in seconds. So you can upload your design, choose the color, and it's going to upload it for you. Okay, it's web-based. Now if we have a look here, it costs $15 a month. Okay, you know, it's really not much at all. And you know, the cool thing is when you hover over a lot of these, I don't know why it's not doing it now. There we go. Apologize. So if we go back here, you can see, you know, when you hover over it, you can see that what your design is going to sort of look like. And there you go. For about 15 bucks a month, you can get your t-shirts, and these are really engaging images that you can use for your Facebook ads. Okay, because the good thing with t-shirts and that is it's really, really simple. You can even use the basic ones if you want to use that. The point is, you know, it looks really nice and it's engaging. Stuff like that would do very, very well. All right, depending on the type of t-shirt, of course. So finding where to do mock-ups is not hard, and as I said, if you need a designer, the hardest part's finding the design, and if you give them the design, then you the graphic designer can go and do it. Now on top of this, one of the cool things with this is you can go trending now. Okay, so anywhere, and you can see designs that are trending now. So we can see here that this one's doing very well, this one. Okay, so if we have a look, and again we have a look at the actual comments, we can see that just recently, you know, this type of jewelry is doing very well. So you just go and find this on AliExpress, right? You can see this design consistently has sort of been doing well, these earrings, all right? And more and more people are really liking this sort of circle. And there we go, we've got other ideas. This simple rose gold plated circle. This would be easy, look at that. And you know, they're selling it for 50 bucks Australian. So that's in American probably about like 35, 40 bucks. So you can see that we found a great design, and the jewelry has really high margins. Anyone that's obviously in my course knows seeing that straight away. Now this is another great one. We always know this is great because straight away we know it's to Christianity or Christians, and so this is a perfect item that you can try and market, and straight away we can see so many people are buying it. That is a massive winner right there. We can just see so many people are buying it. It's trending only recently, and that is a great item that you could find. And as I said, if you struggle with suppliers, don't be worried, just contact them. Okay, you can go to their page and you can actually contact them. So you know, you can message the seller, okay, and say, hey, I love your item, could I drop ship these through you, and I'll pay you what your cost of product is plus on top of that, so they make their margin, and then you add that margin on Facebook, and you can get a much larger appeal to people by doing it. And then as a result, you've got fast shipping, you've got high quality products, and you can build a brand. All right, this is a fantastic way to do all of that at once. It is more centered towards print on demand and jewelry type of items, more so than need. But it's a fantastic way of doing it. There's more to marketing than just need items as well. So that's pretty much what I do. I've found a number of winning items just by doing this and contacting them. I actually, if they say yes, I also say, can I use your image for marketing? A lot of the times I'll say yes. And basically you can go from there. So you got heaps of items. And then if you want to have a look here, you can go, home and living. You can do mugs. You can do plenty of different items. Like if we have a look here, the wine shark glass. Okay, this looks pretty unique and cool, and you can see people are loving it. All right, so how unique is that? That's something you never would normally see, and you could sell that yourself. And again, it's handmade. If you go to the person, say, look, I have a large quantity of people that would want to buy this. I'm willing to buy it from you. There you go. These products can do extremely well. $46, I bet you any money this would probably cost you no more than $10, $15. And the reason it's a bit more expensive on Etsy, keep that in mind, but much higher quality, and you can see much higher conversion rates. Okay, so this is definitely one of the things that I would be recommending that you start looking into as a great new product research technique. You can spend all day here. I've sold many items on Etsy itself, and I've found many winning items that have been just from typing in words like trending now, or having a look at the collections, and then having a look at top customer reviews, just some simple filters. And we can see here we've got a design, and when they're running ads as well, that means usually that it's doing well, that they don't want to be losing money, right? So they're paying money for these ads. So you can find heaps of really cool ideas you'd never see on Facebook when it comes to print on demand on Etsy, because it's the entire marketplace around it. Okay, concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and comment down below. Crush it to go on the chance to win a 30-minute call with myself. Today's winner, congratulations, your name is announced in the description down below. Just hit me up, ricky@rickihayes.co, and we'll jump on a 30-minute call. If you do want to win a 30-minute call with myself, then just simply comment down below. Crush it to go in the chance to win that consulting call with myself. Additionally, don't forget as well that I do have my upcoming live webinar. I absolutely love these, been working very hard on that. Just go to www.rickihayes.co, fill in your details, and you are registered. It's 100% free, and it's going to be 100% live with myself, where I'm going to be presenting to you how to apply some amazing secrets so that you can revolutionize your business and become a successful drop shipper. On top of that as well, don't forget to check out the other links in the description below for other Google courses, YouTube ads courses, Facebook ad courses, store optimization. It is all there. Okay, guys. So I do apologize, have been very busy. On top of this as well, I am planning some more YouTube ad videos coming up for YouTube to help you all there. More around teaching you some strategies on how to set up your YouTube ads properly. On top of that as well, for students in my course, many of you would know, but I like to broadcast it everywhere, that I have updated my course to have more YouTube ad videos, and I'm planning to add that. Got about another 15 videos of content that I'll be adding at least, so you're going to absolutely love it. So if you do want more videos around product research, if you do want more product reveals, if you want display ads, whatever you want, I tally it up and I put it down below. Okay, so be sure to comment that. I take it very serious, and then I can make videos around it for the stuff that you desire. I know a lot more people want YouTube ads as well as more Google ads. I'm going to be teaching a lot more of that, as well as more product reveals. So those are all on my list. As a bit of a preview, I have a case study coming up that you're all going to love, $0 to $1,000 a day case study of one of my students that have done that. So be sure to stay tuned for that as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day. I hope you take care, and goodbye.